It's September. That means it's spooky season. I'll soon get to wear costumes every day at work. I've always challenged myself never to repeat a costume within a Halloween season. But I have so many costumes, that's hardly a challenge anymore. Then something my boss said sparked an idea. She doesn't really like Halloween, and part of that is the wastefulness of the season. People buying cheap plastic costumes, wear them once, and then throw them away. Some lucky ones do get donated to thrift stores, my favorite place to find costumes. My boss admitted she likes my thrifty costumes. They're fun and environmentally friendly. My idea, my new Halloween challenge: can I wear nothing but thrifted costumes this Halloween season? I worked it out and I have about a month worth of work days where I can dress up. This is my Thrifty Halloween challenge. Rules of the challenge. They're more like guidelines. Rule number 1, use what I have. I'm a closet cosplayer. I'm on board with this. Hey, I did an entire video on easy Ren Fair costumes that were made of things I already own. The one exception I'm making here, even though they were purchased in the past and I already have them, are things that I bought new, like my Wednesday Addams costume. Just didn't seem to be in the spirit of the challenge to wear those, even though I've had them for years and have worn them many times. Rule number 2, yes, I can use thrifted materials. I like to make a lot of my costumes, and as you know, a lot of my material comes from thrift stores. I'm certainly going to wear my new Alice in Wonderland costume. I think just the buttons and the thread came from Fabricland. Everything else was thrifted. Rule number 3, I can use things that were given to me. This blue dress came from my grandmother. Rule number 4, I'm allowing myself one new accessory per costume. Realize I'm probably not buying these new this year. These are things that I've purchased previous years, but they were purchased new at Halloween, for cosplay. And it has to be something fairly small that just helps unify a costume, whether it be a hat, a wig, a wand, a pair of glasses. Let the spooky fun begin. Let me show you my earrings. That one's a spider web. That one's the spider. These also came from a thrift store.